Today we are going to unbox the Prismatic Evolution. So my very first box. There's a cat in the way, and it looks like there's 4 packs there. The guy at the store said there's some good pulls in here, but they're hard. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. I got my red hat on, looking like I'm Ash Ketchum or something. Things are kind of hard to open. All right, opening it. I don't know if we'll do it like this maybe. So we got an Eevee, Hippo down, Bunnery, let's test my reading skill, Pinsir, Crispin, Bronzong, Techno Radar, Noibat, Iron Builder. This is future. I don't know what that means. Sounds good. Leafeon. Basic Energy, and then just a little redeem card, which is pretty cool for the online deal. Cool. So that one's done. So hopefully that was pretty